In the journey of building and growing a small business, managing finances is not just a necessity. It's a critical pillar of success. Many entrepreneurs find themselves juggling sales, marketing, operations, and then, at the end of the day, facing the daunting task of bookkeeping. While dedicated accounting software like QuickBooks Online or Xero handles the nuts and bolts of transactions, some businesses need more hands-on support. This is where services like Bookkeeper 360 come into play, blurring the lines between accounting software and professional bookkeeping services. So, the question arises, is Bookkeeper 360 software for small businesses, and how does it fit into their financial management needs? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that Bookkeeper 360 is more accurately described as a financial technology firm that provides outsourced bookkeeping, accounting, and advisory services powered by smart software and integrations, rather than a standalone accounting software package that you purchase and operate yourself. While they do have their own app and technology, their core offering is the human expertise that works with that technology to manage your books. Let's unpack what this means for a small business. Bookkeeper 360, a hybrid approach. Traditional accounting software, like QuickBooks or Xero, gives you the tools to manage your own books. You input transactions, categorize them, send invoices, reconcile accounts, and generate reports. This requires you to have a certain level of accounting knowledge or be willing to learn the software thoroughly. Bookkeeper 360 takes a different approach. They integrate with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. They don't replace them. Instead, they provide you with a dedicated team of US-based accounting professionals, bookkeepers, accountants, and even fractional CFOs who leverage these underlying software platforms to perform your daily, weekly, or monthly bookkeeping. This includes tasks like categorizing transactions, reconciling bank and credit card accounts, managing accounts payable, paying bills, and accounts receivable, invoicing and collecting payments, generate financial reports. They provide you with accurate and timely financial statements like profit and loss, income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Offer advisory services. Beyond just recording transactions, they provide insights into your business's financial performance, key performance indicators, KPIs, cash flow optimization, and growth strategies. Handle payroll and HR. They can manage your payroll processing, tax filings, W-2s, 1099s, direct deposits, and even HR compliance, often by integrating with third-party payroll solutions like Gusto. Manage tax preparation and planning. They offer services for preparing and filing business and individual tax returns, as well as providing tax planning advice. Is it right for your small business? Bookkeeper 360 is indeed designed with small businesses in mind, particularly those that fit certain profiles. Time-strapped entrepreneurs. If you're a business owner wearing many hats and find yourself overwhelmed by bookkeeping tasks, outsourcing to Bookkeeper 360 can free up significant time. Instead of spending hours on data entry and reconciliation, you get clean books and clear reports. Growing businesses and startups. As a business scales, its financial complexities increase. Bookkeeper 360 services are scalable, meaning they can grow with you. They offer solutions for startups and growth stage businesses, providing more intensive support, like weekly bookkeeping or CFO advisory. As your needs evolve, businesses using Xero or QuickBooks Online. Since Bookkeeper 360 integrates seamlessly with these platforms, it's an ideal choice if you're already using or planning to use one of them as your primary accounting software. Businesses seeking expert financial guidance. Beyond just data entry, if you're looking for professional insights into your financials, help with budgeting, forecasting, or strategic financial planning, their advisory and fractional CFO services are a major draw. Businesses prioritizing accuracy and compliance. Errors in bookkeeping can lead to significant financial and legal headaches. Bookkeeper 360's team of professionals ensures your records are accurate and compliant with tax laws and regulations. Those who prefer a hands-off approach to bookkeeping. If you'd rather focus on your core business operations and leave the nitty-gritty of accounting to experts, Bookkeeper 360 is a strong contender. Key features and how they benefit small businesses. Dedicated accountant/bookkeeper. You're assigned a specific professional who gets to know your business, providing a personalized experience that's often missing with purely automated solutions or large call centers. Integration with leading accounting software. Their strong integration with Xero, they are a Xero Platinum partner, and QuickBooks Online means they can work with your existing setup, pulling real-time data for accurate reporting. Cloud-based platform and mobile app. While the human element is central, their technology provides a user-friendly dashboard for you to view financial performance, communicate with your team, and access reports on the go. Comprehensive service offerings, from basic bookkeeping to payroll, tax filing, and high-level CFO advisory, they offer a wide range of services that can be customized into a package that suits your specific needs. This one-stop shop approach can simplify vendor management for your financial operations. Cash and accrual basis accounting. They support both accounting methods, which is important for businesses with inventory, deferred revenue, or significant accounts payable/receivable. No contracts. The flexibility to cancel services without long-term commitments is a significant advantage for small businesses whose needs might change rapidly. Considerations for small businesses. Cost. While it offers significant value, outsourcing bookkeeping and advisory services comes at a higher price point than simply buying accounting software and doing it yourself. Pricing is typically based on the frequency of service, pay-as-you-go, monthly, weekly, and your monthly expenses and custom quotes are common. Less direct control. For some, if you're a small business owner who loves diving deep into every single transaction and has a strong accounting background, you might prefer the direct control offered by solely owning and operating your accounting software. Integration ecosystem. While they integrate with QuickBooks and Xero, confirm any other specific software integrations, e.g., specific e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, you rely on to ensure seamless data flow.